There are places on this earth that defy the ordinary, where the air is crisper, the sky's bluer, and the spirit of adventure thrives. This is Alaska. In this untamed wilderness, every journey is a story waiting to be told. Here, nature reigns supreme, and the call of the wild is an invitation to explore the unknown together. From the majestic grizzly bears that roam its forests, to the towering eagles that rules its skies, Alaska is a sanctuary for the wild at heart. Every moment here is a testament to the bond that grows stronger with every adventure. In the heart of this vast wilderness, love and companionship find new depths. This land is not just a destination, it's a journey. A place where you can find solace in the silence, strength in the struggle, and joy in the discovery, side by side. Adventure is more than an activity. It's a way of life. It's about embracing the unknown, savoring the beauty of the moment, and finding yourselves in the heart of the wild. This is Alaska. This is our adventure.